Hi, my brother and sister. Good evening to all of you. My name is Arjun, and today I am here with this. So you can see what is it? It's a kind of cream. So today I have something to talk to you, and then I will explain it with the real life experience. So you know what is inside it? That is the cream that we apply on our face to look beautiful. But now what I'm gonna share with you, that is very incredible, and that's very, that's very different from our opinions. You will, when I have something, I have read something in a study, that in a study it is said that because of beauty, women's, those are not beautiful. So because they are not beautiful, that's why they are getting irritated, that's why they are getting disappointed, that's why they are becoming fatigued. Why they are becoming disappointed and nervous, hesitate, disconfident? Because they think that we are not beautiful. And even here most of the people spends and spoil a lot of money to look beautiful. But real beauty doesn't come by applying these kind of things. It comes by your heart. If your heart is beautiful, if see, the real beauty is that your knowledge. If you have knowledge, if you have the manner, if you have the etiquette to talk with people, that's mean you are a beautiful person. Doesn't matter you look bad and you look ugly, because it's a kind of a lip in you will apply on your face, and it will last only 2 and 3 and 4 hours. Then it will it will be wiped out. But the beauty that is called the knowledge, it it stays always, it remains always with us, and it makes a people very beautiful. Not only his heart, by his face, by his confidence, by his words. Because whatever you do and whatever you have, whatever you are learning, it reflects on by your face. Let's take an example. If I say that you are learning something, and you are gathering knowledge, you are collecting knowledge, you are learning every day something new. And when you will be enough, and you will have something to talk with people. But you don't talk to people intentionally, you don't talk to people deliberately. But you can't stop yourself. It reflects by your thoughts, it reflects by your words. For example, if I talk to you, and what I know and what I have, it will reflect on my face, it will reflect on my talk, it will reflect on my nature, it will reflect on my walk, it will reflect on my etiquettes. So ladies and gentlemen, the things that we learn, we don't need to express those things, we don't need to distribute these things, we don't need to post and bugs. We need only to learn, we need only to take the things, and we need only to improve ourselves, we need only to nourish ourselves. One day the things will reflect by on its own. So what I was saying that if you want to look beautiful, then please enhance your knowledge, improve your manner, improve your nature, and please improve your personality development. Because it is the real knowledge, it is the real beauty, it is the real thing that will make you beautiful, that will make you be beautiful, that will make you be a powerful person. Because with the help of knowledge, APJ Abdul Kalam said that education is a thing by which you can win the world. So it's about all knowledge. Now let's move on another topic. Today I'm going to talk in another topic, that is the issue. in the society issue. Now what's happening in the society, we all are children, I am a children also, I can't say that children, but yeah, I am a young one. But what is happening in the society, most of the student and most of the children are distracted of their of their real vibes, of their real work, of their real job. They are drifting away from the knowledge, they are drifting away from the real things, they are drifting away from the real interest. They are going towards the social media interest, they are going to the fake interest, and even uh, they are going to make their fake personality. But when we peep inside them, when we examine them, so we find that they are not, they are nothing but fake, but replica of any person. So please, we all need to do work on these kind of facts. We need to make them aware. We need to make them responsible. We need to make them good personal. We need to make them to go right direction. Because we are, if we don't do, then who will do these things? We are responsible for these things because of us, because we are also not responsible for our task. We are also not accountable for our task. We also bark our things, we also procrastinate our things, we also put it off our things, that I will do this tomorrow, and it's not important, we will do this after time and after time. But this impacts children, this this affects children, this affects our brother and sister. Even because of it, our society is being affected, because of this mindset, because of these actions. So what I think, but if you will think that why why we don't do what I sorry